Hit record.
What the? No, my God. Alright, so this is my bike check as of right now. I got I got Odyssey Tom Dugan grips. I have Odyssey par ends. I have Colt Leader V2 bars, 8.25 rise, 29 wide. I have an Animal Jump Off remix stem. Nice. I have an FSA Impact Pro headset. I have a 2008 Fit Team Street frame, mid bottom bracket, 20.5 top tube. Chainstay is about 13.65 inches, not too long. I have Odyssey Director S2 forks, and then I have a Fly Ruben Rempera tire, 2.25. I have a BSD front street hub laced to a G Sport rim, G Sport Birdcage rim with shadow spokes and nipples. Moving to the back, I got Eclat. What are they? Oh wait, I already forgot my pedal. Oh wait, no, they're Surge PC pedals. And then I have my Stolen 2.5 cranks, Stolen Team 2.5 cranks. At my profile bond bracket, 19mm. I have my Shadow Slimmer pivotal seat. I have my Kink stump seat post. I have a profile Slim Jim seat clamp. I'm running all 4 DK bunny pegs.
Your food's ready.
And I have a Shadow Raptor cassette hub 9 tooth laced to a G Sport roll cage rim with Primo spokes and nipples, and I have a United tire, United Direct tire 2.3, and then I have an Odyssey MDS sprocket 25 tooth. Another good look at my stickers. And then and then I have G Sport Gland guard in the front. I'm about to get 2 daily grind front hub guards because they're the bomb.
This is a bike check, not a bike when you want to get checked.
Alright, so yeah, that's my bike check as of the moment.